Say and so etime aboy pa better o messages in the ya no agya ho da agya yetima kenkan kakra de ma better me sa say the feature man Bundesliga na ye di nkoba kakra no ada Osberg Bobo kono mo tena fiom ne tie di Hofian ana edi esi ni okune ba we na chese afanu mi ni nyina obi abontena mienu no ama chese o makwa koboto no e ma cheto dwa o German Bundesliga ene anope no make check kakra e de ma Adamantis awodo ni nyina enso e be trende me pato Borussia Dortmund ene woman so any bind of fall of a course in a edisiane na fe ya babenya tie di Hofian woman so game no betimi atwane in fact no adam and so ebo hedanium woman enso any Union Berlin and ebo na yenya RB Leipzig Bobo kono woman Borussia Mönchengladbach and edisiane pato ayadesa yenya Antoine Frankfurt woman so Eko Forsberg na film game no etimi atwane St. Pauli woman betene film ne Bayern Munich na ebo we ya matches betoja ewo ayen crofama so ene anope ne yeke kakra and the man went to see who doing now so me pato detenie etina da Adamantis aka so etwane FC Cologne wo mo tene fiom ne Werder Bremen na Airbus Stuttgart wo mo enso ne Hamburger SV na yenya Menso 5 wo mo ne Freiburg edi SNM eno aye Mattis abetwane e went to see who doing now so na detenie utwema Bayern Munich global kodo wo mo an LED the league log no 73 points na ekramo na wa ba benya Borussia Dortmund wo mo so e 64 points wo mo tosu aye mieno miensa aye RB Leipzig global kodo wo mo our 53 points na fe when you Stuttgart Bobo kono motoso aye enai wo mo our 53 points but all the otosunum aye tie di Hofian Bobo kono wo mo our 51 points eno aye dia etotwa our German Bundesliga ene ye keche kakra edi ama eba ne ntrato dia abanta de dia Hurricane wo kwa 31 goals anema aye kama Edma Dennis Wundaf enso our 18 goals ho afe Luis Diaz our 15 goals ubenya se wo kurase wo our 13 goals afe Christoph Bongatna one our 12 goals. Harris Tabakovic, one 11 goals. And afe Michael Olise, and so our 11 goals are no dia etoja German Bundesliga. Meko friendly na medin kobakakra na anwasem ne anoda Paris FC. Ati AS Monaco Bomontra nine ama Monaco Bobo connect mu bako Olympic to Marseille. And not omo ye adwuma na omo temet. E Bomontra me so omo so atimu bako na Mason Greenwood. Abrante ko friendly ganom wono so asase a wo ye record na de tiene wo ko Olympic to Marseille. Wo baba ye the first ever player in the 21st century. Ebasa Obo Ayentra na the first 2 seasons no when 20 plus goals Abrante Nema ya kama Ediamano. Esa said the 2024-2025 season there say the goals involvement onya no 26 goals was 26 goals involvement. Esa so onya 21 goals and no 5 assists. Make us so the league ni go so 20 wono as 20 goals involvement na Abrante nya was 15 goals and when 12 assists in team Uki Kenny in this year, a 20 goals involvement, and a banter the Tineri Mason Greenwood and so Enya, a record Equadiamano, and so I will Olympic to Marseille Nano pay, Yakate Dama, and a 2 matches na Ebaso, Jebena AJ Ojo, woman to the Fomani Nont and Ebo, not Yenya started Rene, woman and Bobo Conny de Elso Ebaso, at the other matches Sakanyanum, Abatane, Jebena OG Sinis Bobo Cono, woman in the half, Anna Ebo, Afe Adiasa Toulouse, and Lima Topo, woman came the Beto Jatna. And we kwana na Olympic Lyon woman so any low end game no and so eba so ade matisa ebeto ja our friend league ana and ana pen make check akra and the man want to show do nyina so na de tiene PSG Bobo kono woman na omuli di league table no with 63 points and RCD Lons atosumi no with 59 points be pato the atosumi ansa Olympic to Marseille one with 52 points and after 50 points no and some equity managing at the Lima Topo I know your reporter Eba our friendly ana pay me ketre adi amount na eba ntrato dia Abrante Alidin adi Esteban Lepo wokra 16 goals Joaquim Pinatelli akoda na pra bestona 16 goals na ekrano Mason Greenwood ekra 15 goals na wenya Odsoni Edward wono 12 goals afi Pavaswak and so na 11 goals Florent Balangu 11 goals Brady Bacola wono so pra 10 goals Anna Wesley Said and so 10 goals Osman Dembele and so our 10 goals are and no yeah dear etota our friendly can and now pay me kettle kakra ediamana maminko ayala like meaning kobakakra Madrid and no other woman Jeruna man for their twitch and him so Jeruna dear said yeah SB eja obi ebu obi hey na man de beya mama de akwa draw ebusia no other pan crofra de omo yeah enya sem go to akra fati vavade wodona onya the only goal de Madrid ayebobo ko sisi ameka say under our fellow Balua, Madrid Abo, I am Mattis Artemis, 13 wins, Anomania, 1 draw, Anna 6 defeat, and to Madrid, the Luso Tosuma Kumakusi Artemis, Womunsia no Melusuno, Ama Yasu commanded Ama Fire has said, Debbie, Abalua no to me yet because one more compare Zabia Luso, and to man obey any some matches to do a boy any Abelua Kakraya Boya, Olusulu Artemis and Yama, and your come and Famamo, and I reported Etota, I would to my so now pay me ketre edi amana o hede we na masi kwa a tough time at Madrid. It's 3 matches in a row anomalusu edi atwaso in all competition and the amasi se na papa nan kasa no amese pressure ya bano so na anu na Mbappe another game no ekoswa eta Madrid the first year kan obi anta so munya penalty se na no da ayi enkrofoi asi Atletico Madrid de wi mo de Madrid anyo bia fa chane so musi joru na ru mo Omazino Adomania penalty, Anka Tessie Anti, and Fama Mbappe Nakajam, Janfa and Twatrama Rafino, and Swan Janfama Madrid Elbow Cono, Na Anona Nano Pen, Avella Balua, Asian Camobianta has a Safa will now call Branchanosum, Nakabona Somiti, Edema Madrid, and say a penalty, Edema Madrid, Nakajam Madrid, Elbow Bonnie to Tumkama, and can prepare Casan Kaya 2-1. No suppose will be Sasa Navano Panovano, I had them pa, I will air Gimnum, and young report and Pato Avalo Abalua. At the Eba, I would do so, and then a pen, Yadia on Kobaka, and so at the Etawa. Na Mbappe, Wopra and Utimus and Nanka near Koye. At the Madrid, Obaba can near man said that Enkoye, and T. Amama for you, sir, Madrid Nankasano, and Mbappe Bao by Madrid in a bond doing him Bobeta, Madrid in there, a head down moment, sir, a brand the player or Koyano, Wamubo Tata Vigo, or winning 2-1, Wamu Elbow Man City, or winning 3-0, and Omobo Eche 4-1, Woman Man City be made 2-1, Anna Omena Atletico Madrid, and also 3-2, Ninganona, Mbappe do hot, Nambappe by Ramatis Omoboye, Wamubo Mayoka. Omulusu 2-1. Wamubo Bayern and so Omulusu 2-1. And what that Jeruna Bobo and also 1-1. And Crofana Quacobotna. And no man for say Sapapane Kayampa. Na Mubaki Atama. Mbappe Ebabano. Uko Barcelona. Walla Porta Ebabacasa. Na Walla Porta say. Wano Mbappe Bano Madrid. No, in fact, Ebaha Madrid, Panya de Sababa Madrid. And you be said DNT Anna Ambo Madrid. Was it Madrid Sika Semukrano? Sir Mbappe Ba. And this 1 or 2 players and send it to me Abra Madrid. Anna Yabisa says Ankobana say was Ankobana say come Madrid dressing room to me Mubeti Chemium essence Sabio 2 masters and to me running one ship essence Omu Abranta the Vinicio Junior Elho why star dada Anna Mbappe so I star at the Abasa same position as Sambaba home Womudia open year and Omudia Kwasa Yadi star dominant Adamanti Wafisa na Branta Nebano Opanum Abahama to the pa amama fosa say o mo kai made the say ebrebi etoma made abrante we eba no wala porta ehu kai mantie ana mede Mbappe aba na since Mbappe adwane Madrid no muntie oba Madrid no waba toto so La Liga title Madrid enyante Copa del Rey eno wo munyante Champions League eno so say no manje afi waba ya ne sisi no Madrid nanka o mu go tally aba se Madrid the players no wo ko mu nyina go saboma nanka wo soro yesi since Mbappe by na adropi ataba from Wamubo El Clasico after say Omabo 6 matches of El Clasico Madrid I win mu baako pe wutumi se niam nkoye emfa momo afe omapan mu coach sa wodo mako miesa ana isi na PS boboko no ana babe team asise we asef na nyina wo bia de o mani hwom se o mutimi no aya kama reporter men seka say isi de du swamp ana my Madrid say de we niam asiko no ene ebia de say omo de ade no enso estate edemo pain no ene your reporter men seka efi Madrid akache na no pain no make tire kakra edi amao ewe ensisia wodo so beta league matches na ene ebi beto so race sedad boboko no womani Deportivo Alaves and ebebo yebenya Elche womani Valencia ebona yenya Barcelona boboko no womani Espanyol na ebo pato we derby aya Barca derby atase woko Catalonia Claudio mu ha enya samkotwa kra yebenya Sevilla womo ene Atletico Madrid and ebo we matches eba so eba ne interato no dia say na ade no. And so esi echo ewe tumedie so na okay mama ma wetra da matisa eba so kra esan so Osasuna womni Betis ebo Mallorca ene Rayo Vallecano so bebo Celta Vigo ene Rio Viado ana ebo na yenya Bilbao womni Villarreal edi esiene na Mante yenya Levante ene Hatafe game no sisi Barca ana elidi 76 points ana Madrid enso tosumi no 70 points Villarreal tosumi ensa womu 58 ana 57 ekwa Atletico Madrid Mbappe ekwa 23 goals ana Vidat Muruki ekwa 19 goals anti Budman ekwa 15 Lamine Yamal ekwa 14 Ferran Torres ekwa 12 Robert Lewandowski ekwa 12 Mikel Oyarzabal enso ekwa 12 Bado Iglesias enso ekwa 11 ana Rafinha enso ekwa 11 goals and your reporter total ewo La Liga table no so na no pay no ye ka che kakra enso edi amount.
Okay, quickly free La Liga na yantoaso ewo Italy na the tense Italian Serie A matches a weekend way Barcelona the tense Andra ewo Estadio Olimpico ewo Rome yenya team from say AS Roma ewo fie wo mo semiansa ema team je from say Pisa omo antimante na the tense Donald Malen and the first goal enema team je from say Roma and what Donald Malen at the second goal eba so ema Donald Malen as about third goal eti Andra Roma game eba so ewo fie no Netherlands on my brand first and Donald Malen and about hat-trick Edema Roma team from say Pisa one antimante na the tense and Saturday matches in Ebi Ebaso our Italian Serie A na the tense and about 1 o'clock pm Cagliari at Nefi woman and Cremonense and abo and watch Torino Elfie woman Hellas Bologna about 2 o'clock pm AC Milan at Nefi woman Udinese Calcio and abo na for 7:45 pm Atalanta ewo Jewish Stadium El Bergamo woman Juventus enable Nyankopon Adma Ochina Sunday early kickoff at 10:30 am anapa na January ebetnafie ewo Estadio Luigi Ferraris woman boss Sassuolo and what Parma Elfie woman Napoli enable at 1 o'clock pm afi about 4 o'clock pm Bologna at Nafie ewo Estadio Renato da Ara woman Lecce nafi 6:45 pm Como at Nafie woman Inter Milan enable Nyankopon Adma Monday 6:45 pm Fiorentina ewo Estadio Atame Franchi wom any team je from say Lazio enable nano payno jere won sam emeti for na e show no so na after match week 31 e was Serie A no e Inter Milan edi kan wom 72 points and what Napoli etos me no wom 65 points yo AC Milan wom tos me sa almost 63 como tos 9 wom 58 points and of Juventus team no wom tos enuma wom so 57 points na the chance Capo Cannonieri e top scorer e Italy na uko Serie A ma Lautaro Martinez and Edikan watch 16 goals and watch Anastasios Dovikas 11 goals yo Nico Pass Kenan Yildiz Rasmus Højlund and watch Donald Malen and afe Kenan Davis woman na as 10 goals afe Nikola Kristovic and afe Rafael Leao and afe Akan Chanoglu woman swing as 10 goals a pizza and an pay the update emetie for na el show so afe in free Italy na yamna England na the tense over Premier League ma a match with 32 and a weekend we ever so now mama Fatima say Andra our London Olympic Stadium West Ham United at Nefie women shall 4 Emma over 200 antimante now the tennis a brand defense Konstantinos Mavropanos and the chef first goal and my team from West Ham and watch Tati Castellon at the second goal ever so Emma Konstantinos Mavropanos about third goal and Sana Tati Castellanos Ramos elbow 4 goal edema team from West Ham United na chese Andra Konstantinos Mavropanos one 30 Castellanos woman nyina ase 2 goals and an payade wonsem emetifonya el show so na de tense and Saturday matches no etwaso e Premier League na anano paya sheshe de tense e early kick-off 11:30 am na Arsenal etrefi o Emirates Stadium wom ene Bournemouth enebo ma Mikel Arteta esas yenim se Arsenal na sena e money bon akwa bi o na manager na say je fatu obi enim say baby season eduno eno ma bia ebeto Arsenal bia no e wo se atom se da bia Arsenal team be improve eno ena san twani ba ko bu san say mo last 2 domestic games mo bon mo lusuye e o EFL Cup final edema Man City eno chi FA Cup quarter finals mo ko lusu e o St Mary's edema Southampton na se Arsenal team no game we mo fan say yetie Mikel Arteta.
I think it's a balance, as I said the other day. It's better to observe first, to see the natural reaction, to see what we are made of, to see what's the first instinct, collective and individually from players after an scenario that we didn't have off-season. And then you can intervene based on that. But to be fair, they didn't need much because the reaction was top, as I said before. And the understanding of why we lost those matches and how we were going to put it right. And I think it was a really good reaction against Sporting. Yeah, the closer we get, the relevance and the importance of the match increases, obviously, and tomorrow is a big day for us. Players know it, our supporters know it. It's an early kickoff, so get up early, have an early breakfast, bring your lunch, bring your dinner, how you say in England, and let's go all together.
Okay, we at the Gunners Arsenal, a manager fans, Mikel Arteta now, what Arteta and Gaza, what is a brute was a woman is a early kickoff with the anano pay, plus no sorry, a breakfast, no couldn't be a Kamasabia. Yami Arsenal gamer, Gomo at a tier bottom of Elf, you know, Arsenal, everything and your maximum points. Nabia, I come, I am Arsenal Timono. Now I know what you attend and about 2 o'clock PM, Brentford, our GT Community Stadium, woman Everton enable after Burnley Everton our turf more woman team from Brighton and which the tense and about 4:30 PM Liverpool Elfie woman Fulham enable Mami Ancelotti one and manager Edema Tima je from Liverpool now Liverpool manager say woman team and take inspiration and from Paris Saint-Germain game no es has omko France now and no answer ankoye ne mom woman gidi e pass resa say team from Liverpool anya no e was say Atimi take advantage said bia enuma abekoye edema team she from say Liverpool way a Liverpool manager Ancelotti.
No, there might be anything positive from the Paris Saint-Germain game. It is that we faced the champions of Europe and we've experienced that we were on that evening and not at the level where we want to be. The good thing is that in 4 or 5 days we have another chance to show that we can be much more competitive than we were 2 days ago. But it also tells us if we want to keep improving, we have to keep.
Okay, Liverpoolians, my manager fancy Ancelotti, and I'm attending Casa or Casano. Nyame Aduma watching Sunday, 1 o'clock PM, 3 games. Basu Premier League, Crystal Palace, Everton, Selhurst Park, woman in Newcastle United, and Nottingham Forest, City Grand Stadium, woman Aston Villa, North Sunderland, Antonofi, Stadium of Light, woman at Tottenham Hotspur, and now we manager fancy Roberto De Zerbi, the first game of Obo. Tottenham Hotspur na ne voice here members name yet nyame aduma watching at 3:30 PM Stamford Bridge the Blues of Chelsea elfie under the Sky Blues of Man City enable na Chelsea manager penny first Liam Rosenior Anra manager na press conference so now would you take Chelsea manager no what can sempa.
He has 3 points. That takes us closer to our objective, which right now is to qualify for the Champions League. That's all we can focus on. We have teams who will fight relegation, teams who are mid-table, teams who are pushing at the top end of the league. It doesn't matter because every game is so difficult in this league, and we know it's going to be a big challenge on Sunday.
Okay, and I Liam Rosenior and our tenant cano. Now, Liam Rosenior say 3 maximum points now. Watch now, Omuhia at the 50 to all. It's answer and no ever cushy team. You're from Chelsea, Ama, UEFA Champions Bundesliga on person mo qualify Serbia next season no mo be koye e ma Chelsea no e wo se omunya etinyame adma o chena against City woman say a big challenge nemum Chelsea e pese womunya 3 points and no e Liam Rosenior and watch ni opposite number e manager first manager Jefferson Pep Guardiola na Guardiola so say woman so enim se bia say season adru e Premier League no Arsenal atwim se ne Arsenal e sha o mo 4 points se 9 and dan tamo nemum say a team from say Man City ebetimi age league na e was say points we say no team from say City woman so enya we Man City one manager first Pep Guardiola.
Hopefully we can do a lot of points. It's the situation that we are in the Premier League, so we need to do all of them. Otherwise, we'll not give us a chance to try it until the end. So we need to do a lot of points.
Okay, the Sky Blues of Man City manager Pep Guardiola and our tenant Kano. Na nyame aduma Monday yenuanom the Red Devils of Manchester United as I said yeah. I'm supposed to be ho and go for you mupena ho and United. Won bobo na nyame aduma Monday 7:00 p.m. United Tnefie Old Trafford. Woman Leeds United enable na after match week 31. Our Premier League no the Gunners Arsenal and they kind almost 70 points and watch City atos me no almost 61 points minimum City outstanding game Manchester United atos me anasa me rather 55 points Aston Villa tosonai 54 Liverpool tosonum 49 and for Chelsea atosu insia so 48 points now the top scoring chart our Premier League no Ellen Haaland and kind was 22 goals after Igo Thiago 19 your Antoine Semenyo was 15 goals after Joao Pedro 14 Dan Welbeck after 12 goals after Hugo Ekitike and after Victor Gyökeres woman in our 11 goals apiece and after Harry Wilson and Dominic Calvert-Lewin woman swinging after 10 goals and I'm pay the update MT for you so
well okay so now you're training now you're doing confirm as well seminar Eddie about yakato say ya oko YouTuber na like here na odo comment na banaja yakin kan kakra Eddie am better me come Manchester United na me the United and come kakra pato we United fan at me pa na no da be 2 days ago na Harry Maguire say Manchester United here players here pa next season as Manchester sign no musampa squad ne emu aye kama na anopai me konyantia yes Manchester United hierarchy no wo kwa yes penyin ba ko waye ne hu tintintinti yes wo kan bibia wo so on the coach ba ko pe anopai ne coach ben so Luis Enrique ano feeling here pa Luis Enrique de wono aye coach in fact we are done here no yensema efi Manchester United akati edi babata yes wo ko Manchester team no mu fi se makeka we ka djuma no be fa no eni de we say ya djuma na enema su koyem edema Manchester United o mu wagidi e pa se wo be de djuma de mama makeka we ko betimi aye djuma no de Manchester United enti yes internally wo ma se process na se in a question say wo menya new manager no wo mu fi se djuma de eni kwan so mo tra no mo de komo bi fufu ade se makeka we ani betima ya djuma de Manchester United Luis Enrique de ande yes o penyin ba ko pe ana ne da yes so ne se o mo de djuma ebeba Luis Enrique na enne ko bi se makeka we se o penyin Manchester djuma enya beto pressure wom na Manchester they were pressure si wo mu pressure for one no so Manchester no what them dada in fact wo Manchester United wodim they were Manchester City wodim squad no they were wo team no City anonim they were mo supporters City wo pe wi asa fane team wo supporters no in fact wo pressure ye pa dia papa no person tell Manchester United supporters no sa no mo change bo Manchester wodim the way City ana Manchester na da ho no aye team eso entunya ba be wura ma hunu sa pressure ne de aye part of you ntino no enya de se bibia aye no nwa aye ade a e odada wasi eto da bi na seniema enkoya ane aye ade so be how ye pa won be scrutinize better ni nyina no se utimi wura ma aye normal once aye Manchester United ni no ni Manchester the way City de enya de so be hu se we kra aye problem edman ti ebia wo etire na se wo twa Manchester ma sa na be hu se aye ade se pressure ane edom so but on the also wo de dentino wo hu se any pressure bia ana chese eba no so no ye mark kawik en komeka kro payin na di tutwa e wo dwuma de so na no pay ye ka kire e de man na lemras no aye head coach e de man Chelsea ye bi san se Anzo Fernandez isia no na so twa no mawia na ana so on beto aso ye bi san se mo beto aso se no se masa ye wo big game o me mo game ni wiansa ye bog big game ni wia ana ye wu de wa ebia enema besi akọ wade atum sa abrante na ba be patom wo se no kra abrante no wa pa club na chaw ana no lem Rosenior Enzo Fernandez apana chaw enti sa chaw pani nyina ho ebom no Manchester City game no wo bo wia ana bibia wo ho a tire no wo menso ebedi hu nkomo ene ye nkoba kakwa so lem Rosenior edi eba ewo dwumadi so ene ana pa ye ka tire de ma kwa na be kaya me ba be ka to se tibu kwato a akwai kwa wo kwai enuru obesamba because akwai so wo pra na se time do to so a akwa ne matam no so ubewu ansa tibu kwato aba place o mtisa no o ye be ye mensa pe Cristiano Ronaldo Lionel Messi ana tibu kwato a winnim no we pra na ye wadu so onyama wo be ha de tie no to ho kwamna reporter mensa ka se tibu kwato no o return yes se bibia kwase ne omusi aye na wo mu ansu game so mutimi qualify aye this headler o mani Liverpool game no abrante betima ba be bobi edi Real Madrid bobo kono ene yetibu kwato reporter meti efi na kate na yesesa wo mu El Clasico ata so mu kobodo Camp Nou against Barcelona no yesesa tam na tibu kwato aba ni nyino betima twi go post mu edi Madrid bobo kono na ye reporter mensa ekan ewo dwumadi so na yesa velo balo ase Bayern game na hu hia ne ye pa enti o fifio de four midfielders no wo bebo mu nyina yeso wo na adu se Jude Bellingham obe start no wo bebo Fede Valverde wo bebo Thiago Pitart na wabo adagule edi aka ho enti we midfielders amensaka se womo anso akobaya no sa game no womo so be yusu ani reporter eba ewo dwumade so Michael Lise when say report na eba sa brante we yes Bayern Munich womo players isi ani yes Liverpool ayo Madrid so munya brante no mbepe afi Barcelona ne Madrid nyina womo ni dia brante da chibet yes brante ne komo bi a odire chese wonye na adu se obefiri Bayern no boboko no esanse yes cat ne se so Johnny Bayern supporter Bayern for Ediaman internally the way team no esitie any the way team no esia boano ama isia ni player yo no akwa anim no wanya na adwe so ba be fili Bayern pempe ama Bayern for so nkomo mu di nyina ya se abrante in fact omu fili akoda ni ye pa anom Michael Olise report efi abrante na kate edi eba na players di omunyo wo be di se sisi atotna players ne esode omso coach we di oyade san kwafo me ensan de omunya de kwa de say na coach si manya be Thomas Frank manya Ange Postecoglou manya I go to do kwabra omuzi se woka omumi ensan nyina bomo madwumo mbe no papa yi de kakrea be Roberto Di Zerbi de etwo omunyina ade bizo omsa da omso Roberto Di Zerbi in details ano ade ma e training grounds men kwafo de short sini bet we de obiem ama tumi se park na yetetere ewo wani so ento omuzi papa we do mu agidie se de ma so betimi akoye e de ma ne Roberto Di Zerbi na adwuma ya wasa sen report ampato e free air Tottenham Hotspur players no ankasa kati edi eba na enano pay ye pretre de na eno na Roberto Di Zerbi si yanka mo bi antia se sisi anu hepa da kwabna niema ha no na niema ha no pa ya se oba nyina edimba kwa ne woni tirim eye Kudus Mohamed kwabna ba ya Kudus start training kama wo yansa brante na kwa kopra wo se ha no papa player ba kwa wo we ne nkase ma na nkopeso build team na around Kudus Mohamed o ka we no wu sesa wa we players ni mefa no atua ano so enye Kudus nko a other players aka ho na we de ye Roberto Di Zerbi.
Yes, I started not with too big lucky, but yes, Kudus was in my head a crucial player, especially for the position, but we have to look forward anyway. I think we have a lot of very good attackers, and we have to help them, to put them in the best condition to show their qualities, because Colomoni, I know, is not playing a great season, but...
enti kwabra Roberto Di Zerbi no wase ha no pass oba Kudus epra da other players no so ho Matias Mani ade say no wase cha crampo de no pe no bi duma say ana Zabi nsu say na akoda no kama ana Richarlison so yo okay Thomas Solanke wo mu nyina yo okay office eniema betime akoye kama de amam na yase cha ose say Lem Rosenior de nyame anim ni say obekopa de enye ne ezanse 2027 ni nyina no na mom 2027 no so mbe decide so mbe pam na o metimi apam na esanse eho anom betimi de decide no ma wo se ebia o peyin na ese eja ne kwan ana se eni kwan se eja ne kwan ene ye de fixtures akate epa ewo eye dwumadie so
Okay, yɛn free Chelsea na yɛn to aso na afei yɛn first stories ni bi MT for nyina ɛwɔ show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na yɛn free Chelsea dia yɛn kɔ Real Madrid day esan sɛ wɔbɔfo ɛne deɛ ne nam hɔ apasa sɛ Madrid for no sɛ ɔmo yam ahwie pa wonim sɛ the last 3 games Madrid abo no Madrid enya win na andra after sɛ Madrid team no wɔn tena fie ɛne Girona ɛbɔ 1-1 ɛna nsɛmkyerɛ for prim anasɛ post match interview wɔn kɔbusa Avaro anase Avalo Abalewa say opani dia ye dia say ne basafo no fa league ni ko esan say enom sha basafo no em say o ma Liga ne sa na according to Madrid manager no Avalo Abalewa say enya no kreda say mathematically and officially enya mai say tima je from say Barca agila Liga wo Madrid on be fight say o so betima agila Liga no e de esi o na so na esa na Madrid tie say Jumadian Emmanuel Madrid e be koso a fight e no e Avalo Abalewa Sam kakra wadi atuja na de me se kan se aka team from se Barca wo 8 games e wala Liga no wonim se Richardo 8 games has se Barca aka no se omo win ni nyina wo menya 100 points na in the history of La Liga 2 seasons be and yenya team waje La Liga wonya 100 points and Real Madrid 2011-2012 under Jose Mourinho womu enya 100 points and of Barca 2012-2013 womu so enya 100 points it Barca team no womu ebetim ay record na no pay yere won sam emetie fo nyina e o show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na mame Fatuma nim say Barca team ene womu ene Espanyol ene ebo nemo Barca eni bako etete nyame ya aduma Tuesday womu lusu e o fie 2-0 e o Champions League quarter final e de matima je from say Atletico Madrid na mame Fatuma nim say ene Barca game eba so no womu say Barca manager je fancy flete or say obey rotation na rotation na way no je me say kan say ene 4-3-3 and a manager no ebo Juan Garcia eda go post num Jules Kounde Ronald Araujo Pau Kubasi Alejandro Balde Fifi no wobo Macasado and what Pablo Gavira Fermin Lopez Marcus Rashford Ferran Torres estate ewo animo and a Ferroni Baji e chese ampa manager no say ekose ya dia ene Barca won be rotation enano pair yare won sam emetie fo nyina e show no so na after say Barca won election eba na wie no yese okọ Barca won communication department won ma say a revolution na omo ya restructure e ho especially won media operation na omo say Ricardo Franco and Ignacio Castello sa empenifo mienu nyina no Barca ejomo kwan ama Victor Palacios won abeshem timaza asase a restructuring omo media no so enano pay yare won sam emetifo nyina e show no so afi yenko soba training center Arsenal league leaders Premier League no ena Arsenal training na wonim se Andra Arsenal omo train na eba so no eduba Mikel Arteta ekofa giant screen ebe ball na afi obon makase na enyum no omo say make it happen North London forever we are Arsenal na say Arsenal for the GDA pass afi de say omo anya hwekura na e wo say omo ge Premier League edisi omo na so na de me say kan say yemo season bia Arsenal won LED na anase yemo season bia e Premier League nim ayabo match week 32 Arsenal LED na aye more than 1 point na chese afidie Arsenal LED 9 points a chese Arsenal team no won betimi age Premier League no e de see omo na so na when said before this season the last 3 previous season na Arsenal abono ni nyina Arsenal na omudi second the last time Arsenal won bought 3 seasons in a row ni nyina omudi second no the following season ana a 4th season Arsenal won energy Premier League no esan say the 1998-99 season won modi second 99-2000 Arsenal edi second 2000-2001 Arsenal edi second and after 2001-2002 season Arsenal team agi Premier League edi see omuna sunti Arsenal 2022-2023 women the second 2023-2024 women the second 2024-2025 Arsenal at the second into this season there and Sarah about Arsenal and the can much 9 points and the Arsenal ewa kwanya say almost bottom of her woman be 12 points and no pay no yara won some MT for you e show no so na Richard Mikel Arteta say yam fanti obi anim say e nkofo say e Premier League nkwa and Arsenal e person moji nem o kan pain aman sem for and Arsenal supporters o ma so te say omunya Champions League nso a o ma beje nti say adwuma mi no and this season Arsenal e person moye eno e Mikel Arteta.
Okay, yeah, no more say no pay. No, and the Costa and a Gabi to Gabi the 4 winner, and now Mati Omunkanu.